Hey, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Jenna.
Ow!
And we're gonna be dancing to I'm a Bee. Oh, I sound so white girl right there. I'm a bee. I'm a bee. I'm a bee.
By the Black Eyed Peas.
I don't want to do this.
Stop.
Ew! I look like. Ugh.
Well, stop it! There's House. Right there.
5.
That's my favorite
6.
TV show.
This piss.
Oh, yes. It's like iced tea.
Whoa! I hate tea.
You can say it's wasted ignorance when we're okay. Just limited the wreckage.
Come back! Sexy, right?
I'm jealous.
Gonna break your little heart. Why don't you take the fall? Laughing all the way to the hospital. 'Cause there's nothing surgery can do. Well, break your little heart in two.
Oh my god! Angela. I should have never told you my new name. Never mind, I'm changing my name again. I'm not telling you.
You know what? I'm changing mine too.
So today I got
My name's
jealous.
Jessica.
We are lesbian lovers. Jenna. What are you doing?
I don't know. Happy birthday, Jessica. Jessica.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So Jessica's pissed in her room. She was grounded one day.
Sorry, but that is
She was grounded
iced
one
tea.
day. And like her parents put her in confinement. And ooh, a tampon. Let's play with it.
Okay.
These things are so fun.
You took it out.
Sweet. Ow. I need one of those right now. Oh, no I don't. I'm hot and sweaty.
He came out of me.
Bitch, you're fucking done.